Good afternoon, you're watching another episode of Phantom Flight 101. And I'm here with Novice Quads, and we're here at Calvert Vaux Park. And those guys are at it again. And we're here for a drone meetup with the NYC5 Borough Drone Meetups group. We're gonna head over to the back of the park, and we'll see you over there.
Anyone in there?
That was our time here at Calvert Vaux Park with the NYC5 Borough Drone Meetup. Please don't forget to check out Wednesday night, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for my channel, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's Wednesday night with those guys. Wednesday night with those guys.
And on my channel, Sunday nights, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Novice Quad's channel.
Feel free to check out the descriptions below. And also feel free to leave your comments. And I'll see you next time on Phantom Flight 101 with those guys.